How you gonna kill yourself?
Denim. Denim, denim. Denim, denim. Denim, denim. Denim, denim. Mad bugs. Yo, you ain't know this is Mike. My first time ever walking in the trails in the Ultra Beach. This shit is kind of fun. I feel like I'm camping right now. Oh yeah, motherfuckers. Hey look, City Island. Oh, this is where people fish? Hey, look at the people.
Under their rules,
Yeah, a lot of people fish back here. This is really a fisherman's trip.
you believe that you're going to reincarnate into something else. So you're doing something good for your country and you're just going to reincarnate.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, wow.
Somebody hanged themselves in this tree right here. It's crazy. Peace.